for sale today. I got a 1966 Nova, real factory Super Sport, 118 VIN, so it's a real Super Sport V8 car. Finished in red, black interior, bucket seats, console, 350 V8, little chromed out engine compartment, nice looking, power disc brakes, power steering, and I'm going to walk around the car, tell you all about the car, and show you some of the flaws, and then fire it up and then drive it. Subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you. And like the video if you enjoyed it. Like I said, it's a 66 Nova Super Sport, real Super Sport V8 car, now with a 350. Red black interior, Super Sport bucket seats, Super Sport console, rally wheels. Super straight body. There are a couple of chips right there, and then another one right there. That was a little crust of something. It is an automatic. Like I said, bucket seats, console, SS steering wheel, nicely painted dash, nice dash pad that has no cracks on it. Very nice seats, no rips in the seats. Console is nice, carpet's nice, headliner's nice, rear seat is nice. Headliner is nice. I think I said that already. Doors open and close as they should. Windows go up and down as they should. It has nice glass as well. Nice trim. Chrome bumpers are very, very nice, and they're excellent. Super Sport trim. I believe all of the electronic components are operable, except the fuel gauge, but I might be wrong on that. In the description of the ad when I put the car for sale, I'll name everything that works and what doesn't work, but as right now I believe that's the only thing that does not work. Again, nice door panels, nice painted part on top. You got your body by Fisher. Tilt wheel. It has tilt wheel. One thing I forgot, looking at it now. There are not too many flaws on the body now that I'm thinking about it. Did I walk by anything without pointing anything out? No. Little chip right there on the door. Very straight body, like I said. Couple of touch-ups right there. Another one right there. And another chip right there. So there you have it, the 66 Super Sport Nova. Bucket seats, console. You know what, I'll pop the hood right now since I'm gonna end up doing that next. Oh, where the hell is it at? Oh, it's right there. Oh, seems to be a little crack in the paint right there. And then another touch-up right there. So here you go, there's the 350. Dual master cylinder, power brakes, the power steering, nice billet chrome, and and I'll fire it up in a second. I just wanted to say thanks for watching, and fire it up, show you the driving video now, subscribe. Thank you.